So structure equation modeling is a multivariate statistic analysis technique that is used to analyze structural relationship. It is a combination of vector analysis and multi-regression analysis. It is used to analyzing the structural relationship between measurable variables and latent construct. What is a latent construct? I will discuss about that shortly. SEM, it can provide a summary evaluation for a complex model by checking the goodness of fit. So in short, structure equation model can help us to run some complicated structure or complicated relationship at once. Instead of running the regression model one by one, SEM have the advantage as running this complicated multi-dimensional relationship at one model at once. And when you reported this model, it will tell you overall how good your model would be. The other strong strength of SEM is that it can handle latent constructs.